Quantifiers are words that describe the quantity and amount of a given noun. So look at this one. The collapse of the true sporting system is a result of many factors. One of them is the connection between sport and business. So one refers to factors here. One of the factors. I have a number of students. Most are native speakers of English. Most refers to, again, students. Most of students. Most of my students. Another type is possessive pronouns. Look at the first example. The house is located by the sea. You should see its view. So what does its refer to here? It refers to the house, but be careful when you need to write it down on a midterm or a pop quiz. If you have to write it clearly what it refers to, then don't forget about the apostrophe. So the houses view. When you read it, it must read you should see the house's view, right? If you just say you should see the house view, then it doesn't give the same message. Look at the second one. Many kids are struggling in poverty, and their only hope is a governmental initiative that can provide them with a shelter and food security. So what does "their" refer to in this sentence? Kids, right? And again, as I said in the first example, you need to use an apostrophe. In this case, it's a plural noun. That's why the apostrophe comes at the end, and we don't have another S because it's plural. Okay, it's time to practice now.